you in the grass? Can I help you? You are in the grass? Good. Good nodding. You're so smart. Ready? Turn the handle. There, now Gray can keep pushing you. Do you want to push Micah, Gray? Gray, will you go push your brother? It's early. We're out here in our PJs. Push him to me. Yeah! Oh, you're in the grass again. Yeah, you know it's the wheel, huh? But you're not sure how to do it. Let's turn the wheel. Let's try again. Push, Gray, push! Micah, he's trying to help you. All of a sudden I have these two grown-up people. Alright, fine. Micah! Micah! Say hi! Will you wave? He will not. He's like, I'm not waving to you. Gray! Hey, what are you doing? You're not supposed to go on the stairs. No, thank you. You're being naughty. Come here. Oh. Is that funny? You think it's funny that I grabbed your brother? Alright. Gray, give Micah a push. Yay! Hey, where are you going? Oh, all the neighbor kids are coming out.